shit. Jessica! Hi. Yeah. God. Look, here comes a car. Ants. You know those ants? I want to say this is the Jessica and Kayla show. Sure. Yeah. Yeah, but yeah. This is the Jessica. The Jessica and Kayla show. Presenting Jessica Kwan. She's not cool. Just call her a little shit. I think she's gonna take a shit. What the frick is she doing? Look, she's ready to squat. Come on, you little brat.
Wait, did she have to take a shit?
Well, wait, she can shit while she walks. She's just sniffing.
Sniffer, sniffer, sniffer.
She's on cocaine. Maggie, come on. Bye, Maggie. Ow! Ran into me. You're so. Spank it.
No.
What is she doing? Taking a what?
No.
Zoom in! Oh, she moved. Where's her poop? She didn't shit.
She's trying.
Ew, it's yellow. Ew. What were you eating, Maggie? Bananas? Maggie was eating bananas.
Break.
Uh-oh. We're at the farm. That girl might be out.
Who's Skylar? I mean,
Sky.
Silken or Silky Shilkin or
Ew, it smells bad. Down. What are you doing?
I don't know. She did it to me. When I was
She
playing.
does it. She's already tired, but just no, Maggie. Come on.
Come here.
She's not out there.
Don't shit on me, please.
Meow.
Dog is kind of cute.
Her tongue. What are you eating her?
God. Throat burn.
Is she swearing at you, Maggie?